Okay, guys, we had another beautiful trading activities yesterday. Okay, on Monday we had a beautiful trading activities. On Tuesday also we also had a beautiful trading activities. I'm really happy because we are starting this week in a good way, and we started making lots of profits right from Monday. We made a lot of profit on Monday. We made a lot of profit also on Tuesday. So this is so beautiful, and I'm really happy about this. Okay, and of course, yesterday, check out this particular trade. Okay, it's actually achieved the first TP, second TP, third TP, and it is heading towards the last TP, which I actually posted in the Telegram channel. Okay, I'm going to tell you more about this trade, and of course, we get to review other trading activities right here on in this video. Okay, so before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So just like you guys have known, I love using the trend trading strategy, and this is the reason why I love using the trend trading strategy. You can see this is the resistance zone at the top right here. This yellow color signifies that the trend is on uptrend, and the red color signifies that the trend is on downtrend. So when it was on uptrend, it was giving us the yellow color, and when it got to this resistance, it was unable to break out from there, and the indicator switched from this yellow color into a red color. And of course, at this point, all I just need to do is just to follow the red arrow, which is the sell signal, and check it out right from there, guys. Right from there. Okay, let's see. So right from there, so just the way you're seeing it right from there, you can see lots of profits. Okay, guys, lots of profits. Okay, even to this end, um, this has actually given us 163 candles. Remember, this is 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and that is about 53,912 points. That's a lot of profits already. Okay, so you can see that is the beautiful part of it. Now let's analyze it better. Okay, so this gave us a downtrend signal when it switched from yellow into a red. And of course, at this point, I expect you guys to place a trade immediately you see this red arrow popping out. Okay, so if you are placed trade at this point, most especially those that are having this indicator, if you had placed a trade at this point, then definitely you would have made the full profit right from there. But for those that are not having the indicator, that is the reason why I always post my analysis in the Telegram channel, so that you too can also benefit from it. But you can see you guys started late. Okay, let's see. This is it. We got in at this point in the Telegram channel. Okay, this happened to be our entry point. That we started this trade 2 days ago. That's on Monday. I gave us an entry point on Monday, and of course, I said when it gets to this point, it should trigger the entry point. And this happened to be the first TP, the second TP, the third TP, and the fourth tip. You can see you can be on a single trade for 2 days. Sometimes it can even go for a week. So far you are in profit, you are cool. And I set our stop loss to this. Okay, you can see it didn't get to the stop loss at all, and this has been selling since then, and it is still selling right now. Okay, just the way you are seeing this. Okay, so this is live chat, guys, and YouTube can also confirm the trading activities. So this is heading towards this. I actually expected to get to this region, but I love taking my TP early. Okay, so in case anything happens within the market, so that is why I leave the last TP at this point. Okay, so we are only expecting it to get to the last TP. The first TP have been achieved, the second TP achieved, the third TP achieved. Now the last TP, which happened to be the fourth TP. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is Ganex 1200 again. So congratulations to those of you who followed my signals within the Telegram channel. And even if you are watching my video, you will notice that I always give the trading tips also in my videos. Okay, now let's check out other assets that we also took advantage of. Okay, and of course we get to see what is happening with those assets and what we can still do with it. This is Ganex 999. This is another beautiful trading activities we had also. And of course, when it was selling, we achieved a lot with it. So right now, it is going back on uptrend and gave us the uptrend signal. And normally, this is what I always tell you. Okay, this is what you should do. At the beginning, you are having this indicator. Immediately, this switch from red to yellow. Okay, and of course, we got a buy signal at this point. All you just need to do is just for you to place your order and set your stop loss to somewhere here, just below um, the last support zone. Sorry, I love using magenta color. Then I'll make it a bit bigger for stop loss. Okay, so you can see this will have been in huge profit, and this is spikes trading, 15-minute time frame. You can imagine this will have been in huge profit, and even as at now, if I am actually in the market, I will just adjust my stop loss to somewhere here to secure some part of the profits while I earn more. It is as easy as that. Okay, so this is still buying, most especially once it breaks out from here. Once it breaks out from these ports, okay, it's still going to buy more. And if it breaks out from here, we actually expect it to get to this region. Okay, let me change it back. Still blue. Okay, so we expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so that is a huge trading opportunity for us, but wait for it to break out from here before you jump into it, because it has started already. For those of us that are having this trading tool, I know we should be in huge profit right now, except if you didn't take advantage of this opportunity, that is when you will not be in huge profit. So if you are taking advantage of the opportunity, you should be in huge profit right now. Okay, and all you just need to do is just to adjust your stop loss to lock up some part of the profit. If it breaks out from here, still adjust your stop loss further, so probably somewhere here to lock up more profit for yourself. Okay, so this is very, very important. So now let's move on, guys. Let's check out Paynex 1002 on. Okay, this is another trade, Paynex 1200. This has been on uptrend for a very long time. Check it out. It started the uptrend right from here, broke out from most resistance zone, and got to this new resistance. It has not been able to break out from there. So it gave us a sell signal at this spot. Wait, am I not having any indicator? Or let me check on our time frame. Okay, okay, none. Okay, let me go back to 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour. Let me check. So you can see even on 1 hour, it has given us a downtrend signal. So this is going to sell for sure. Okay, because 15-minute time frame, they work together. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so you can see it has even been selling. That's so amazing. It has been selling. So for those that are having the trading tool, I actually expect you guys to have set your order around here. Okay, you go into the trade at this spot, and of course set your stop loss somewhere here just at the top of your last resistance zone. Okay, um sorry, I just love differentiating things so that I can have a clear vision of what I'm actually trying to achieve. Okay, and it makes it very easy for you to do a lot of things to differentiate things. Okay, so your entry point at this point, so definitely your stop loss should be at this point, and you can see this is in profit already. This will have been profit already, and once it breaks out from here, from this region, then um you going to make more profit right from there, because we have a lot of money to sweep from this region. Okay, you can see. So that's so amazing. So if you are not in the markets, I will advise you to wait for this breakout. Once the breakout is done, then definitely you have a lot to earn right from there. Okay, you have a lot to earn from there to somewhere here. Okay, remember this is also 15-minute time frame. Okay, so this is going to be huge and very cool for you to sweep. Okay, so you can take advantage of that right from there also. Okay, now let's check out the last asset we checked was actually Paynex 1200. We've also checked Gainx 999. Okay, you can see Gainx 999 is actually heading towards this now. Okay, and of course we've spoken about Gainx 1200. Okay, so it is now time for us to check Paynex 999. Okay, so this is Paynex 999. This is another trading activities that we actually um, took advantage of. Okay, you can see this will have if you are having this trading tool, the best bet for you is for you to actually come in around here, place a sell signal at this point when this switch from an uptrend into a downtrend, because this is from the resistance zone. Put your stop loss here. But if you miss that, okay, definitely for those in the Telegram channel, this is what they got. And first TP, second TP achieved successfully. But this will have given you a lot of profit if you had jumped into the system right from here. Okay, you can imagine this will have given you 74,731 points. That's it, 6 candles. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. And of course, this is still selling at the moment. It is still selling. Okay, although it is very close to a major support zone. Okay, if it breaks out below that major support zone, it's still going to sell more. If it does not, then we should be waiting for a switching direction. That is a switching trend from a downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, now let's check out the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, this is FX volume 80, and just the way we have seen this actually sold till it got to this region, had a pullback, and of course came back here. Just like I have told you, okay, trend trading strategy is still the best. Okay, if you had followed the trend, you would have milked the market coming in here to sell, and of course buying at the spots. Like we explained earlier, this has been moving within this channel, and it broke out below it at this point to sell more. Okay, but it has entered the channel again, so for now it will still be moving within the channel, within this and this. Okay, you can see it has been playing around there for a while, and if it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more. And of course, if it does not, it will go to the lower part of the channel. Okay, so these are what we are able to come up with today. Okay, and of course I'm going to update, give you more updates within the Telegram channel. That is for those that are within the Telegram channel. If you're not there, then you are missing a lot. You can still join, guys. You can still join. The link is there in the the link to the Telegram channel is down there in the description box, and I'll try as much as possible to also pin it down to the comment section so that you can easily have access to it. Okay, joining the Telegram channel is 100% free, so you can, I don't have a special VIP group for anyone. Everybody, every member of my platform are special to me. So my trading signals are 100% free. Okay, so we can all benefit from it and enjoy it. Okay, but if you want to be generating your signals on your own, you can come for the trading tool, and of course you can always get in right from the beginning of the trend and milk the market for a very long time. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question, kindly drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, and of course, if you are yet to follow me on this channel also, can you do so right away? And of course, do not forget to like and share this video. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.